Well, we up early in the morning. Got another Road King up in there with Dragonfly front. Some more upgrades. He said he's not satisfied with this setup and that, so we're gonna add some speakers back to the wall that used to be there. Probably change the amp around. But over here, we're gonna just test and tune real quick before we put it out on the street and really listen to it. But pretty much done, I think.
I'ma keep on coming through hundreds. I count money fast as fuck. 1 mil, 2 mil, I'ma keep adding up. 3 mil, 4 mil, I'ma keep stacking up. 5 mil, 6 mil, I'ma keep adding up. 7 mil, 8 mil, money keep adding up. Hey, touching my motor, I'm coming through something. We blew out the motor. I jump in a bucket, dress up like a woman.
I'm about to shoot at a nigga, no layup. I pull up and step back and knock in my tail. Yeah. Point blank, I shoot at a nigga from far like I'm Trail. Yeah. Shoot at a nigga, no airball. Ooh. Shoot at a nigga, no backboard. I break a full court, press up at half court. I can call her a bitch, but I ain't gon' do it. I can make her rich, but I ain't gon' do it. I can give her this dick, but I ain't gon' do it. I give her all this shit.
That's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna take a little bit more mid-range out of the vocals. So yeah. Then we can stick a fork in this one too. Clean up the bags and put it back the way they were. But we added some horn tweeters in the back. Added more mid-range with the horn built in the front, because before it was all a different way. But just refined the sound. Yeah, I think we're good.
But I ain't gon' do it. I ain't gon' do it. I'll snap that ass, pull that hair, get that pussy.
Yeah, your washer and your kickstand's missing. But luckily I have it tagged and bagged. I got you. So, success. Got the screw installed, put some blue Loctite on it. Now we can put all these screws up until I need them again. Yeah. So, just a glimpse. Just discovered something else while I was fixing some other stuff. Your screw that goes to your, what was that? The front fender is missing. God damn it. Well, that could be tragic if the whole thing decides to disappear. Alright, I'm going to look around and see what I got for you on that one. Alright. Yeah, right there. Upon inspection, we find another one missing. This can happen when you don't have Loctite in the spots where they're necessary. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Turn this music on. So press the button, twist it. Let me see. iPod on. Let me see something. Working with that. There, it's coming back on. Pause for the cause.
Fake punks acting like they ready for this shit. They been running the motorbike muffin. I'm moving silence. Your bitch on the other hand offering me options. She's in quappage, neck in moppage. Clean me top, bitch, and leave me alone. The whole mob is smiling. The mob is on to get just when see on your mobile phone. Getting up.
A little early morning testing and tuning. We already found out that due to fixing the vibration up here, because I was there, I noticed that there was a screw missing in the fender, because it was making, when I was fixing the vibration up here. So our screw missing. So we gotta pull that out and get that taken care of. I'm pretty sure he'll appreciate that. But let's go.
You know what I'm saying? This shit don't stop, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the fuck these other niggas on. You know we fuck with it. We keep this shit, you know what I'm saying? Every time, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You already know we fuck with it, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? These niggas was in it, though.
At least 3 houses minimum. So, you know, nice and clear.
I'm moving south. Your bitch on the other end offer me options. She's in quads, neck in moppets. Clean me top, bitch, and leave me alone. The whole mob is mobbing. The mob is on. They get jealous when they see you on your mobile phone. Getting all the slippers, knocking all the bitches. I don't know what they on. Boy, mama over here. Your bitch came to my show and stood there all so cold. Say, hustler, could you send me? Cause I was sitting there draped in gold. Bitch, I don't be a chicken low. Man, with so much money, I don't need a hoe.
Again, money stereo installation, Road King specialist, Harley Davidson specialist. We just pushing them in, pushing them out. It's riding time, y'all. Y'all about to get some wind in your face and have a great day. We're gonna leave it like this. To the beat.
Check it in, check it in, check it in.